Assalamualaikum everyone. I am back with another video and this time I'm doing stone painting. Hope you guys enjoy it. I thoroughly enjoyed this artwork, especially because it was done in nature and it's a hidden pool and lots of people doesn't know about it, but luckily I get to know this through my guide. So let's get started. Here's a piece of stone which I picked up randomly from the place, and my guide helped me a lot in finding this super cute bowl for keeping water. And yeah, so here's a lot of water which I can have. This place got crystal clear waters, so I didn't want to mix my paints and dissolve them directly into the water. So it's better to keep a bowl there. The inspiration for this painting is from the surroundings. I'm planning to paint a scenic view. Always keep in mind before you do a painting which consists of landscapes or sceneries, keep a horizon line in mind. So start with the horizon line, which I did it there. Quickly sliding the camera to the stunning view. This state is nearly famous for Satpura National Park, and I was in the middle of one of the jungles. This was a trek of about 6 kilometers in one way and is very close to Duchess Fall, which was discovered by Britishers. So I wanted my painting to be more colorful, my sky to be all covered with yellow, orange, when sunset happens. So this is what I was achieving here, and little strokes with the brush. My mountains are completed and I'm making a replica of it. As I said before, it is covered with lush greenery, trees, bushes. Then I thought, instead of making mountains as black, I'll turn it to trees. So here, this is the final result. I did trees in the surroundings and I kept the waters and the sky same. And this is the painting which I did around 6 years ago on a stone, and it was more similar to what I did this time. This was how sky looks that time, and a sun in the center which is setting. Did one of my stone to these fishes here. It's like a souvenir to them. And don't worry, acrylic paints are water-based paints and are non-toxic, so it's not harmful to them. Hope you guys appreciate this work. Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you for your support guys and taking out time to watch this piece. I'm wishing a very blessed Ramzan to everybody out there, and until next time, keep slaying.